In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Blend tool in Photopea. Photopea is a powerful, free, browser-based editor, and the Blend tool is perfect for creating smooth fades, color transitions, and subtle lighting effects. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you can follow along confidently. First, open your web browser and head to the Photopea website. It loads right in the browser, so there's nothing to install. Once the interface appears, look for the home screen and choose Open from Computer. This lets you pick an image file stored on your device. Select the photo you want to work with and confirm. Your image will open on the canvas, and you'll see the toolbar on the left and the options bar along the top. Next, we need the gradient tool. In the toolbar, find the icon that might look like a gradient or a paint bucket. If you see the paint bucket, right-click that icon to reveal the hidden tools, then choose Gradient Tool. This ensures we're applying a gradient rather than filling a solid color. With the Gradient tool active, look up to the options bar at the top and click on the Blend Mode dropdown. This setting controls how the gradient interacts with the pixels underneath. Think of it as the math behind the mix. Modes like Multiply will darken, Screen will lighten, Overlay and Soft Light will add contrast, and Normal will simply lay the gradient over the image. Choose the blend that fits your goal. If you're enhancing skies or adding light, Screen or Soft Light can be great. For deepening shadows, try Multiply. You can always change it and experiment as you go. Now set the opacity to a low to medium value. Somewhere in the 20 to 60% range usually gives you control without overwhelming the image. Lower opacity keeps changes subtle and buildable. Higher opacity is stronger but can look harsh. Remember, you can adjust this as needed. You're ready to apply the gradient. On the canvas, click and drag in the direction you want the fade to flow. The starting point is the most intense part of the gradient, and the endpoint defines where it fades out. A short drag creates a quick transition. A long drag makes it smoother. Try dragging from top to bottom for a vignette-like sky fade, or diagonally for a dynamic look. Hold Shift while dragging to keep the angle perfectly straight. If you don't like the result, simply undo and drag again until it feels right. That's it. Open, choose your image, pick the gradient tool, set your blend mode and opacity, and drag on the canvas to blend beautifully.